Curious how to send hidden or spoiler images in Telegram chats? Maybe you want to surprise a friend, protect sensitive content, or just add a fun reveal to a photo. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to send images as spoilers in Telegram, so your recipient only sees the photo when they're ready. By the end, you'll know how this feature works and be able to use it effortlessly. Let's dive straight in. First up, open the Telegram app on your device. Whether you're on your phone or using Telegram desktop, just tap or click to launch it. You can do this on any chat, private, group, or even a channel, as long as you have permission to send messages there. Find the conversation where you want to send your image. It could be a friend you don't want to spoil a surprise for, or maybe a group chat discussing the latest episode of a show. Anywhere you think a little suspense would be fun. Next, we need to attach the image. To do this, look for the paperclip icon, which is the attachment button, usually found next to the message input field. On your phone, it's right beside the area where you type. Tap the paperclip and you'll be prompted to select a photo from your gallery. Alternatively, if you've just captured a new image, you can snap one with your camera directly inside Telegram. Choose the picture you want to send and confirm. You'll be taken to the image preview screen. Now this is where the magic happens. On the preview screen, you'll see options like adding a caption and sometimes stickers or editing tools. Look closely for a three-dot menu icon, typically at the top right, or sometimes there's a dedicated button labeled spoiler right near the caption field. Telegram updates can move things around slightly, so if you don't see it immediately, don't worry, look near where you'd add a caption, or tap the menu to see more options. If you're on desktop, the button might be in a slightly different spot, but it's usually nearby. Once you find the spoiler option, go ahead and select Hide with Spoiler. When you do this, Telegram will blur the entire image, covering it with a frosted, shimmering effect, so nobody can see the contents until they choose to reveal it. This is fantastic for hiding plot twists, sensitive photos, or anything you want to keep secret until the recipient is ready. You can also add a caption if you like, something like "Careful, spoiler for tonight's episode," or tap to unveil your birthday surprise. Finally, send the message. You'll notice that in the chat the image appears with a special blur effect. This blur stays put not just in the chat view, but also in the chat list and notifications. If your friend receives a notification, they won't see the secret image peeking out, just the blurred placeholder and your caption if you included one. Here, what happens for your recipient? When they open the chat, the image is covered in shimmering blur, almost like it's wrapped up as a present. To reveal what's inside, they just need to tap or click the blurred image, and Telegram will instantly show the actual photo. Until they do, the content is hidden, so no spoilers, surprises, or awkward moments. And that's it. The spoiler image feature is simple to use but incredibly effective for protecting sensitive or surprise content. It's perfect for group chats with lots of conversation, when you don't want to ruin things for people who aren't caught up, or whenever you want to keep that little bit of extra mystery. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips for using spoilers in Telegram. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical how-to guides, and until next time, happy chatting.